first, how difficult is the installation? Fish Scale Mermaid Gel tiles are extremely easy to install. Simply peel off the protective backing and stick it onto the wall. Second, will it easily fall off? Fish Scale Mosaic Backsplash Wall tiles use high-quality adhesive, ensuring they won't easily fall off, so customers can use them with confidence. Third, are they washable? Of course. The smooth surface of the peel and stick backsplash wall tile is waterproof and oil-resistant, making daily cleaning easy, and stubborn stains can be easily wiped off. Direct message me to get free self-adhesive mosaic tile and fish scale samples for your kitchen makeover.